Highland Hill Farm is located in Fountainville, PA, in Bucks County. We're situated close to Philadelphia and New York, so we service the Philadelphia, New York metropolitan area as well as the Washington, D.C. corridor. We ship from our Lenoir, North Carolina facilities, our Fountainville facilities, and our Milan, PA facilities. If you need trees or shrubs on the East Coast, we do deliver and install. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 for trees and shrubs, or if you have a question about trees and shrubs, we'd be glad to try and answer your questions. So, Highland Hill Farm is your source for information and also for trees and shrubs on the East Coast. Thank you.